Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your summary longer. To begin, identify the main points and key arguments of the original text. Then, expand on each main point by incorporating supporting details and examples directly from the source material. Also, include relevant background information to provide a comprehensive context for your summary, ensuring it is both informative and thorough and covers all critical aspects. To further lengthen your summary, incorporate specific data, statistics, or direct quotes from the original material. This adds substantial depth and credibility. Elaborate on the implications or significance of the information presented, explaining why it matters. Additionally, discuss different perspectives or interpretations if the source material offers multiple viewpoints, enriching your summary's content. Structuring your summary thoughtfully also helps increase its length. Use transition words and phrases to connect ideas smoothly and logically, creating a cohesive flow. Break down complex concepts into simpler, more detailed explanations, ensuring clarity for your audience. Finally, consider adding a brief introduction and a concise conclusion to frame your summary effectively, providing a complete package. After drafting, review your summary to ensure all essential information is included and clearly articulated. Check for any redundancy and rephrase sentences to add new information without unnecessary repetition. A good target is for your summary to be approximately 1/4 to 1/3 the length of the original text, providing comprehensive coverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.